Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. In the previous video, I narrated about the joined strokes also to you, and I have read the words in exercise number 3 and 4 and informed you to make practice of these 3 and 4 along with 1 and 2 so that I will give dictation in this video. I hope that you have practiced well, and if you are satisfied that you have practiced well the exercise number 3 and 4, you can take dictation of exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4. Be ready for taking dictation. Ready? PB, TD, KJ, KG, FV, ITHI, ISHG, SG, N, ING, L, Donodar, Re, Ve, Ye, downward H, upward H. Exercise number 2. P, B, T, D, J, J, K, G, Ve, Ye, downward H, upward H, Re, downward R, P, upward H, D, downward H, B, A, T, Che, Re, K, Z, Ge, F, V, Ith, Thi, S, Z, Ish, G, M, N, Ing, L, downward R, Re, M, L, V, Ith, Ing, S, M, P, G, F, Ish, Z. Line number 5. B, Ith, Re, M, D, J, Re, S, N, Ish, G, T, Ge. Line number 6. P, Ge, downward H, F, Ve, Che, upward H, Ge, Ye, N, Ve, K, T. Line number 7. Ish, F, S, Ith, M, N, V, G, T, Z, Ing, L, downward R. Line number 8. T, G, D, K, P, che, B, Z, downward H, upward H, ve, ye, re. Exercise number 3, line number 1. P, PT, PD, पीछे, PJ, PK. Line number 2. BF, D, it, DS, che, S, J, M, J, L, L, M. Line number 3. K, L, K, M, K, N, K, 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 D. 4. F downward R, F downward R, L, F downward R, L, D, F, T, F, che, F, J. Line number 5. Ith, M, Ith, L, Ith, Re, Ith, Re, F downward R, S, K, L, K. Line number 6. Ish, P, Ish, B, L, Ish, K, Ish downward R, Ish downward R, L, Ish, M. Line number 7. Upward H, D, upward H, V, upward H, ith, upward H, N, upward H, B, upward H, che. Exercise number 4, line number 1. PK, PD, PDL, BM, BML, BN. Line number 2. TM, TML, TB, DM, DM downward R, che, M. Line number 3. Che, M, N, J, N, V, K, V, 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 D, V, D, ith. Line number 4. Ge, ish, Ge, ish, ing, K, V, D, P, D, P, L, D, N, D. Line number 5. L, N, L, N, che, L, N, D, N, T, N, T, M, N, V. Line number 6. N, M, NML, ML, MLD, LK, LK. You transcribe these 4 exercises into longhand and make corrections as to the omissions or mistakes committed. If you are sure that very minimum mistakes are committed, you can go ahead to the next chapter. I will tell you vowels in the next chapter. But you should not forget to make revision of these 1, 2, 3, 4 exercises. Let us discuss about vowels. In English alphabets, there are 26 alphabets. Out of 26, 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. But in shorthand, there are 24 consonants and vowels 12. Okay, now we will discuss about these 12 vowels. At first, you refer the page number 1. What is the meaning of consonants and what is the meaning of vowels? I will tell you. The consonants. Consonants are the result of audible friction or stopping of the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. Consonants. So you see P. P. You are pronouncing P. Some obstruction is there in the throat. Continuity is not there. P. B. Somewhere in the throat, the sound is being obstructed. Okay, this is called consonant. Again, you see page number 9, vowels. Now we are going to tell about vowels. If the mouth passage is left so open as not to cause audible friction and voiced breath is sent through it, we have a vowel. Without any obstruction to the voiced breath, the voiced breath is sent through our throat. For example, A sound is going without any obstruction. E, I, O, U. This is the vowel. Now, let us tell about vowels in shorthand. There are 12 vowels in shorthand, whereas in English alphabets there are only 5 vowels. Let us forget these 5 vowels. Now we will discuss about 12. These 12 vowels are divided into 2 sections. One is dot vowels, dot vowel like this. Number 2, dash vowels. Dash. These dot vowels are 6 and dash vowels are 6. Totally 12. Now we will tell about dot vowels 6. Among 6, we will tell about 3 dot vowels. 3 dot vowels. We will keep aside another 3 dot vowels. We will discuss later on. Are also 6 dash vowels. If we learn about these 3 dot vowels first, it is very easy to learn remaining 9 vowels. That's why I am going to tell you about these 3 dot vowels. Here I will show you dot vowels 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dot vowels, how many dot vowels are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dash vowels, how many dash vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, here you see this dot vowel is thick dot vowel. Dot vowel, thick dot vowel. This is thick, this is thick, this is light, this is light, this is light. And these 6 dot vowels are again divided as 2 categories. One is light dot and another is thick dot. These 6 dash vowels are categorized into two types. One is thick dash, second is light dash. Anyhow, we will tell about these 9 vowels later. Now I will tell about these 3 vowels. These are heavy dot or thick dot. These dots are called as heavy dot or thick dot. Now, if a stroke is taken, if a stroke is taken, P is the stroke, isn't it? I am writing a big stroke to enable you to see this correctly. This P is having 3 places. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. What is this first thing is, one is first place. This is second place. This is third place. So as per this, we can know that one stroke and one consonant is having 3 places to put the vowel signs. One is here, first place. This is second place. This is third place. These places are otherwise called as beginning. Beginning. Isn't it? Beginning. This is beginning of the stroke. We are writing the stroke from here to here. So we started here. So it is called beginning. This is what we will call this? Middle. Because this place is situated in the middle of the stroke. And the third is what it is called? Beginning, middle, and end of the stroke. End. Beginning, middle, end. Okay? Right. Now, let us discuss about this. Heavy dot. I hope most of my viewers will be of Indians whose national language is Hindi. I will try to say the vowels in Hindi also, in addition to English. So here, if you put a heavy dot or thick dot in the first place, that represents what? Ya. Ya. If you put the heavy dot or thick dot in the second place, that is in the middle of the stroke, that represents the sound of ye. This is a. And if you put the thick dot, to enable you to see this, I am writing like this, but you have to write only just at a stitch with the shorthand pencil. Thick dot, if you put thick dot in the third place, that represents the sound of E. E. Hindi mein he. If you practice this tomorrow, I will tell the remaining 9 vowels. Now what you have to do is you keep your hand like this. This is a stroke. T. This is T. If you put thick dot in the first place, that represents what? Ya. Ya. In the second place, it represents, heavy dot represents Ye. In the third place, the heavy dot represents E. Like that, we practice today like this by keeping heavy dot in the first place represents the sound of Ya. The heavy dot in the second place represents the sound of Ye. The heavy dot in the third place represents the sound of E. Like that, you practice today. Tomorrow, by heart, you have to practice it. If you practice it, automatically light dot in the first place represents the sound of Ya, not Ya, Ya. In the second place, A. In the third place, E. Dash. Thick dash in the first place represents Ya, Ah. Thick dash in the third place, second place represents the sound of O. Like that, I will tell you remaining 9 vowels, and after narrating these 12 vowels, I will tell you how to write the vowels in the close to the stroke, the consonants. Okay. Until then, thank you.